welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. This is a week into the craziness, and I just decided I really needed to film a little bit, so I'm gonna quickly film a few videos, but this will probably be the last time that I'll film just because this past week was crazy. I did 24 hours of virtual meetings with students, 8 hours a day, Wednesday through Friday. My throat hurt and my jaw hurt, like the muscles, because I talked so much during that time. And I still have like over a class of students who either didn't remember time changes, like you're moving home, different time zone, or they just checked out and didn't try to get in contact or do any of the work they were supposed to do, which was super basic just to make sure that they're on the right track. Or they had technical difficulties, which I totally understand, but that means that I still have to do more meetings after spring break because it's officially spring break and I'm supposed to be in Vegas right now, and I'm quite depressed that everything that was keeping me sane is suddenly gone. So I'm gonna unbox my Trendmood box and a couple other things as well. I have my Boxy Premium. You'll probably see the Boxy Premium and my Ipsy versus Macy first. But anyway, Trendmood, I got the Ole Henriksen one. It took longer to come this time than it did the first box that I got, which was the volume 3. I did end up getting volume 4 just because I was online and I was like, okay, well, I'll try it. Inside here, there's nothing but Ole Henriksen skincare, which is super exciting. I love this brand. This is one that I was quite interested in because I do love their skincare so much. So the first thing in here is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, which I've heard so many good things about. I haven't tried this. I do have a sample of this at home. Hang on, I need to go get scissors. All right, so I opened all of the packages really fast. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I know I have a small size of this, I'm pretty sure, that I will try first before I actually open this one, but love skincare. That's always something exciting. I don't see like the little URL thing that you're supposed, not URL, QR code, that's what it is. I don't see it in my box, so I'm not sure how much it retails for, but I know this box I think was $58 or something like that, which is great for all the skincare you got. Then we have the Banana Bright Face Primer, which I know I just got a sample of this one as well. And I love primer. I am experimenting with primer. I have a new foundation that I'm trying right now, and I have not found a good primer to wear with it quite yet. So we'll see. I'm trying to use the NARS, whatever it is. It's a little mini one, and I haven't found a good one yet. This is what I'm most excited about. This is a Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. This is brand new, and I love vitamin C serums, so that's what it looks like. It does have a pump. It's larger than their other vitamin C serum, which is like my favorite vitamin C serum. Ooh, there's this extra sample in here too. Here is a C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. That's exciting. I love gel lotions. That's what I normally wear because I'm oily combination. I'm going to keep this one in the package though because it is a vitamin C, so keep it out of the light as much as possible. Then we have the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask, which I can always use because I have enough acne going on, like it's crazy. That's what it looks like. Leave on for 15 minutes. It's supposed to diminish the look of pores with an exhilarating chill. Ooh, and it's a step in the Scandinavian sauna cycle. And then it's supposed to transform into a luxurious lather. Cool, that's exciting. I love masks. I am going to start getting more into masking, I think. It's definitely something I need to work on. And then the final thing in here is the Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. And this sounds awesome as well. It's a high potency AHA. So I usually use, oh, it says you can use a serum afterwards. A lot of these toners that have like are really heavy AHAs, like the Pixie Glow Tonic, I just use as a single step, and then I put my moisturizer on after it's dried. I don't always put a serum, so maybe I will do a serum, or maybe a lighter serum, not one that's like a vitamin C or something like that. I think this was a fantastic deal. I love Ole Henriksen. You got so many good things in here. You got the toner, you got the mask, you got the eye cream and the primer, and then that brand new, and I think like the cost of the box is the cost that this is, that vitamin C serum. The only thing that would have made it better is if they had a moisturizer in here, but definitely don't, I can live without it. So 5 products, I think it's a great box. Did you end up being able to get this one, or have you gotten any of the Trendmood boxes? Why or why not? Let me know down below. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I hope you are surviving all of this craziness and that it is letting up by the time this finally comes out, because this is going to come out in like a week or so. Anyway, I miss chatting with you guys, and as soon as the craziness dies down and I can focus on like YouTube again, I will be commenting. I have been liking and reading your comments, and I love them so much. I hope I already said that. Anyway, I better go. I'm repeating myself. Talk to you later. Bye.